DCV fam? Man, y'all caught me slipping, man. I'm in here trying to get my camera together. It's been a minute, so I'm trying to get these batteries charged. And man, y'all tripping, bro. Y'all coming in here just bouncing up on me. Y'all gotta let me know when y'all gonna pull up like that, man. But anyway, pretty much today we are going to just kind of walk around the shop and, you know what I'm saying, show y'all what's going on. Most of these videos we doing pretty much gonna be just kind of get stuff back going with the shop. You know, we still trying to get insurance adjusters out here to figure out what we're gonna do on my shop, man. It's just been crazy. Plus we're trying to work on cars, so that's pretty much what we're gonna do in this video today. Just kind of walk around, show y'all what the guys got going on. And I mean, that's pretty much it. So we're gonna get the day started, man. I'll see y'all in a minute. This one they got banged up. So we are trying to figure out why the suspension is popping on this thing. So he's a suspension specialist and he specializes in eating foods. I told him he's a specialist in suspension and eating foods.
Man, there's some chicken wings I need to go take care of.
Somebody got wings popping on.
Oh, hey, what's up, man? What's going on? You know, just cleaning up. About to get back to work. Now you came to the real side of the shop. We got the frame, got body work going on, buffing, electrical, put togethers, tear downs. We got it all right here. All the rest of the other side, man, that ain't me. Nah, I'm just playing. I do a little bit of everything. I do everything. I'm the man around here. Same old, same old. Same old, same old. So now y'all see what I do in the shop. I think it's about time for y'all to go check out Larry in the paint side. Hopefully, it's not as complicated as my job. Now we're gonna come over back here and check out Larry on the paint side. See what he got going on today.
Get that.
Get that. What stage you doing right now, Larry?
I'm getting ready to take this up right here. Put a little self-action on the bare metal spots. Then I'm gonna get ready to seal it. And then after that, we're gonna spray some base and then clear it.
Ooh, that's like gonna be wet, huh, dog?
Yeah, always wet. If I spray it, it's always gonna be wet.
I heard that, boy. Best dude in the South to get a paint job, no matter where you at. Where you at?
But I'm gonna be at Dom's here for about a year in December. You know, I did industrial painting. I always wanted to do cars. So I came over here with Dom. Dom gave me the opportunity. And I went from there. I exceeded from there. I take this serious. You know, I take pride in all my work. So, all right, y'all. That's about it. I got a few more things to wrap up in here. So I'm gonna holler at y'all. Catch y'all later.
Getting this door ready right here. I just put a scan on it. Put a scan on both of these doors. Fix the quarter panel. It was drilled all the way down the side. We're gonna put a new fender on it. That's what I do around here, man. I just fix the cars that are damaged from wrecks, man. You know, kind of get the cars ready to go back to paint, really. And then after they get painted, we assemble them and get them onto the bus station, man. Yeah, man, this is my little hold over here. You know, my little area where I get my stuff done. Devin's got his stuff in my area, as usual. You know, Devin, get your stuff out my stall. But anyway, yeah, man, that's where all the magic happens, you know. Pretty much we just pull them in, get them repaired. Man, I got a lift in the pool right here that I use every once in a while. Got the lift up there, you know. Get in there for suspension work, stuff like that. And really, man, after that, we just send them on to the paint shop in the back. Then I get them back up here and reassemble them. This Camaro, we just did pretty much a complete on, you know. I'm about to get that one in and get it assembled after I put a shutter system in this car right here.
Man. So this is Keith, you know, also too, the King of Kings, the King's View, you know, all that good stuff. But right now we on Dom's Paint Body, Dom's Car Vision channel. Right now I'm writing estimates, looking up parts. Today, man, you caught me on a bad day. A little beat today, a little tired today, but we pushing through. We got our paperwork, got our phones answered. All right. So like I said, we got all that stuff in here, man. I got my paperwork laid out, bro. Like this camera kind of confusing, man. You gotta get out of here, bro. I gotta get some work done, bro. Go ahead, roll up out of here, bro.
Yes, sir. Cleaning them up, cleaning the insides, cleaning the windows, all that good stuff. Yeah, I love it. I ain't gonna lie. 3 weeks ago. Better than driving a tow truck. Yeah, you bust my head like that. He hit my truck, and then like, I don't know, he want to offer me cash to fix it. The parts guy. What's his name? What's up? I've been demoted. To cleanup guy. Cleaning up, trying to get this shop clean. Trying to get organized.
I'm telling you, I probably can't go work nowhere else because after this job, I'm gonna need counseling. I'm gonna need real therapy.
My new ride.
I just slab out this wheelchair right here. See, we got the custom Firestone. See, remember the Firestones had the blowout, so we went with the Nittos.
Think about it,
All
Nate.
slicks.
Stop playing. Oh, really hurt myself. Well, we are continuing to clean up the shop. That's all we've been doing. So like cleaning up. Trying to find stuff that the hurricane blew all over the place. Find parts. Hey, look. More insulation. So, but I want y'all to check out the next video, because the next video we are going to be showing the new shop car, pretty much new company car that we got coming in. So I want y'all to check that out. Plus all the merch. I'm about to start pushing the merch back out. So just trying to get this channel back rolling, man. So look, y'all check out everything. But in the meantime, DCB fam, y'all gotta roll, bro. We gotta see which way I'm gonna kick y'all out today. Maybe y'all can go that way. And I'm gonna see y'all when I see y'all.